Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha here again. Today is June 6th, and do you know what that means? Yes, that means that on this day, exactly in 1933, the first ever drive-in movie theater happened. And since then it took off in popularity along with other summer activities and outdoor adventures. And we here at Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha have three vehicles in particular that would be perfect for any drive-in movie theater. That's going to be the Sorrento, the Telluride, and the Carnival. All three of these are industry leader in cargo space, and that back row folds down so you can have plenty of room to lay out, bring some blankets, of course, bring all of the snacks so you're gonna have plenty of snacks for your movie theater, and then just camp out, have fun, and enjoy it. So if you guys have not been into a drive-in movie theater in quite some time, I'm just setting the reminder out there for you guys that this summer might be the time to take advantage of that. Otherwise, to contact us here, call us at 262-444-5445, and we can hook up an appointment for you to take a look at any of those vehicles to suit your needs for the perfect drive-in movie. Take care. We'll see you guys soon.